tech research. If you have iPhone, so might be this video is helpful for you. Inside the iPhone, one powerful application is available. The application name is Preview application. Using this application, you can solve multiple problems if you are using Preview application right away. In this video, I will provide you some of the interesting tips and tricks related on Preview application. My iPhone screen is here. I just simply search here, type here P. Preview application is available here. If it is not showing in your mobile, you should update your mobile right away. After open this application, first two features we can discuss. First one is a new document. Inside the new document, you can create here new image related documents, and you can very easily edit this one and design as per your requirement. You just simply go here and change the name demo RR. If you want to share this document, you can click here and share the document any social media platform or save this document in your iPhone as well. Next features comes here. We always scan the document most of times and we download third-party application or visit nearest Xerox center, so no need to go anywhere. Using your application, using your iPhone Preview application, you can very easily scan the document. Just simply scan here. So this one is absolutely perfect. Look at this here, the quality of the scan document. I apply some of the filter, black and white, color or gray color as well. Which one you like, accordingly you should select and just simply go back, save this file. After scanning this one, you can share this scan document using your social media. Otherwise, you can save the same file in your iPhone. Second thing, you can access using Preview application your recent activity, your shared documents and your browser. As a browse perspective, you can apply here. So your iPhone, iCloud, Google Drive, or if you connect here in the external hard drive. So external hard drive is also showing here the down of Google Drive. So ScanDisk hard drive is coming here. Not a ScanDisk, external hard drive or external device, anything you can access here. If I go here in my iPhone, if I want open here as a PDF file, so preview application supported on the PDF, image, JPG, Word, all types of doc file, image file or rest of text file as well. This is the all-in-one application. Using this application, you can very easily fix anything. If you want add here something like this, you can apply here, highlight something. So you should highlight the particular text as well. So particular apply here and then highlight. So using this process, you should highlight the specific text as well, the particular information as well. Using this process, afterwards the document is automatically saved here. Look at this. This is the document. If you want to add your signature important documents, so it's very easy. First of all, you just simply write your signature on the blank page. You can scan this one, save the signature in your photo gallery, and afterwards very easily add here the signature. So I just wanted to add the signature on this particular PDF file here. It's very easy how to add the signature on the PDF file. Just simply press here the pencil menu, then addition. Here you need to add here the add sticker. Add sticker point of view, you can add here the particular signature in this sticker. So if I click here, so my signature available on the photo section. If I click here, so signature is coming here. First of all, I need to add the signature as a sticker format, and afterwards you can add effect, arrange or delete as well. So I just simply select here and look at this, the signature is coming here. I just simply put it here, the signature, and that's it. Magic is happen. The document is a save. It's very easy. Save or add the signature using this process. Automatically the signature is a display here. If you want to add some of the text, you can add very easily. Add the block as well. Look at this here, and you can add any types of information here. Which types of text you want to add the particular PDF file. Research rocks. You can reduce the size as well of this text. So using this process, you can reduce the size as well. This particular text you want italic or underline or bold one as per your requirement. You can design here the specific different colors as well, so you can add the different color, justify the particular text, particular area, change the font size as well, which font you like. Accordingly you should decide here, and it's really impressive. In this process you can add the particular shape as well. If you want add something special, design this particular area or the pictures or any other specific task, you should select very easily this process. Next thing here, the add the different types of features is available. You want specify particular text or particular image, so you can very easily add this one, make it much more attractive way of this particular image or particular text. Using this process and just simply go back, the document is automatically saved without your permission. Now next point come here, how we can remove the background in the particular image. It's very easy. Now come here, how we can remove the background. It's very easy. Just simply press here three dots and look at this here, background remover option is available. Afterwards you can say very easily save this file and use as your day-to-day activity point of view. If you want you remove this background, so just simply open this image, remove the background is removed. You can change the background as well if you want add here the different background. So using this process you can very easily remove the background of this particular. Next thing, if it is multiple PDF file you have and you want merge those multiple PDF file, it's very easy. Just simply I copy here one of the PDF file, copy here. If I enter here, so originally here 6 pages file is available. If I tab here in this section, this is the thumbnail section. If you press here and here the paste here, first 6 pages is available. I just simply allow here. So now 10 pages is available. You can very easily merge multiple PDF in one PDF, and afterwards you can very easily share this document using your social media network or any other third-party devices. So this is the simple process to access preview application in your iPhone. If you have any question related on preview application, you can ask me on comment section. Before leaving, please share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Tech Research. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.